So here we have the BMW 320i Coupe on a 59 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. The rev counter is on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 54,663. You can change information that's displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk, but very low mileage for this car's age. And it will show you what gear the car is in. We're in park at the moment. This has got an automatic gearbox. Backing out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls available on here, and then the main stereo itself is over in the center. So you can see we have the CD player just there. If you go to the audio menu, we've got AM, FM radio, CD player, USB input and auxiliary input as well. The menu button is where you'll find your onboard computer for the car. So this dial, you can rotate round, you can push it in to access any menu you want on there, or you can use the button that's directly beneath. So for example, configure is where you can change your time and date settings, for example. Main volume for the stereo is over there on the left-hand side. Beneath that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is off at the moment. That button will turn it back on again. Or you can hit auto just here. The car will then maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Press auto again and you'll go back to whatever setting you had it on previously. Within this section we have a 12-volt charging socket and some storage, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.